seconds left. We are so close to all-time highs, but we're trading the opening range break right now. Just waiting. No extended positions, so I'm just gonna go 2 contracts and that's it. I'm gonna wait for a retest of here. I'm gonna buy some calls, just following our opening break rules. Just gonna see where that takes us. Stop losses under the lows. We're gonna take them all out. Yep, that's it. No need to ruin my day. Because this first one was a loss, I'm going to take a very small position for my second one. 2 losses, I'm out for the day. Not going to let Friday ruin my week. See if Tesla's doing something euphoric. Is Datadog volatile? No, just 70 cents of movement. little bit more patient with this move for Tesla. But yeah, let me go back to jotting my notes down. Right now we're in a slow but controlled decline. Everything is overlapping with each other, slow and controlled. From what it's looking like, it might bounce here at the 71712 level. Maybe touch on, yeah, we might touch on this midnight open and then bounce back up. And then that's when we'll have more. We'll have some edge. Until then, we wait. So controlled, nice and controlled. next downturn candle, we can probably go short 5 contracts. If we see a downturn, we can probably go short. Well, we don't need to be early. Don't need to be early. That's why you shouldn't be early. Rejection. It's tiny. It doesn't have a lot of volume. It's just not holding. Okay, we're gonna go in. Stop loss is at pre-market highs, taking advantage of some momentum. Beautiful. I'll take some profit there. 2-ish, 3%. Okay, calling it there. Excellent. Okay, perfect. Just in time for the orb. That was just price action read with these wicks. Just taking advantage of some quick moves. If I was wrong, I was wrong, but it definitely looked playable from my end, so that's why I had my puts there, 8 of them. Yeah, we're in like a weird range, back and forth, back and forth. Opening range is set. We are literally in the middle. Literally. So I'm either looking for looking for 566 is the stop loss, so seeing which direction it wants to go in. Exit out. Save data doc. It is above the range. Tricky spot. Do I have to trade right now? Not really. Just seeing, just watching price action. I already made my small win of the day, so I'm good. I'm good. Already made my small win of the day. Will this be another fade? So let's see. Head and shoulder, but let's see. What do you want to do? Faded again. I'm gonna wait for the trap longs, people that want to take this breakout. That would have made me in the past. I'm like, oh, I see a breakout, I'm going. But it not necessarily be the case. Let's wait for one more of that candle. Just gonna wait for all the take profiters to get cooked. This definitely looks like it has some juice to it. But if it kind of continues to just rocket up, oh, if it has some juice to it, why don't you do it this way, Angel? Okay, you're right. Break. Retest. Beautiful, smart move to follow the orb, but I just missed it. He saw I was kind of just typing away. All-time highs are at 24,818. So we're gonna see if we're gonna fade that level, if we're gonna peekaboo up. 818 is all-time highs. approaching all-time highs. Let's see what it wants to do. Momentum is showing that it wants to continue ripping up. I'm waiting for a small pullback to pre-market highs, and then I'm gonna join. Of course, I feel the emotions of FOMO a tiny bit, but of course, this urge isn't as strong as some of the other challenges I faced during the week. Like yesterday or 2 days ago with some Datadog holding, and even 3 days ago when I took profit early, and 2 out of 2 times I wasn't able to hold my position. Waiting for a pullback. Finally. Here's what I'm looking for. Pre-market high. Keep going down, down. I guess my stop loss would have been here, so let's try putting my stop loss where, my entry position where my stop loss would be. Or I could have a starter position. I have multiple ways of playing this. Oh no, it's going rebounding too quickly. Down. That looks like a fake move to me. Until 10 a.m. rolls around, bias is still bullish. Perfect, good. cost would have been here, so I definitely want it to tag. Actually, where was it here? It was what at 4770, yeah. So we had a 10-point range. Have a 10-point range. For it to do something. Today's one of those days where if I miss the move, I miss the move, but I want to just make sure my risk reward makes sense. Just trying to practice that good habit. Pre-market high, break retest. Market doesn't have to do anything I want it to do. I'm just waiting. I'm just in it for the ride. Just kidding. Okay, we'll take some off there. Comes back to 2-3%. We're gonna take the rest off. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it all off there. Just gonna take it all off there for a small win. Difficult market for me to trade. Very, very choppy. Yeah, I just didn't like how slow it was. Didn't like how slow it was. Yep, and I think this was a good move. Guys, I am done for today right now. I don't want to be a part of this. I don't want to be a part of this. Yeah, Tesla looked like it wanted to set up for a orb. So you see with these three candles, I kind of had this work right here and whoosh. So the Tesla orb might be something we want to trade in the future. Here's the Reddit orb. No comments about Datadog. We're a little bit above the support zone that I set, but just had no momentum today. This is a momentum play right here. So I'm gonna put Tesla on a little bit higher. Just checking to see if I have anything of interest. Yep. But nothing at the moment for me. Back up we go. Do I wanna fade all-time highs? Is the question. Right now, based on the 15-minute until 10:15, you just can't short this. You can't short this. Do a high risk call play or high risk long, but you cannot short this. It looks like it wants to keep going higher. I talked myself out of the move in terms of, oh yeah, let's just short let's short the all-time highs. No. You follow what's in front of you. Of course, eventually after some time period, this should fade as it should, but no, it's not that time. So if it's not that time, you trade what's in front of me. I mean, this isn't the fade spot, but it there is just nothing happening in these 1 minute candles. Nothing happening. That wouldn't have been a fade spot. I'd like it to kind of wipe out all the shorts. Uh, it's a little early, to be honest. A little early. Whew, damn. Actually, after I saw this, I'm seeing the potential reward, but I don't have any FOMO. Cause stuff like this, no matter how I talk myself, maybe if I was aggressive, but there's just no way I would have been in front of this move and have the right risk reward parameter. So I don't even have FOMO, even though I see it kind of dropping down. Just no FOMO here for me. So, but I do get emotional, or you can say like if I see the move but I didn't take it, whether from hesitation or just not trusting my process, that's when it gets more emotional, because then it's like, okay, I've said the move verbally, but no action happened. Like, so why did I even bother looking at the chart? I might as well go take a nap, go get a snack, anything literally. Because I'm trading here. If I'm looking at the charts, I am waiting. I'm pouncing. I'm stalking the right setup so that I can take a high risk reward trade and let the odds be in my favor. If I am not doing that, just why am I looking at the charts? So, yep. So that's what I expected. That was, if it kept ripping downward, that would have been, hey, props to you if you gambled that, but not for my system. Okay, now we have a little bit of a bull flag coming. A little bit of a bull flag coming. But we're going to tune off, guys, of the live stream. Thank you for tuning in. Don't let Friday ruin your week. I certainly didn't ruin mine. I do have one more trade left in the chamber for me, but nothing I like. Nothing setting up. Yep. Right now it's kind of within all the battle zone from the previous day, so no likey the chart. I just talked about this bull flag that's kind of slowly setting up. Datadog above my support zone, but I missed kind of the entry right here at 9:45. I was busy looking for the orb. Reddit, nope. Yeah, it's below previous day lows, but now it's in the battle zone of the previous day, so no for me. In the battle zone, no for me. What other high? profile stocks. Let's check a look at NVIDIA. Okay, so it's in the battle zone. It's a potential fade level. Shout out to Desi Trades for kind of just being on top of the equities in terms of price action analysis. Guys, thank you for tuning in. Enjoy the Friday. Consider taking a lighter position if you've already made some money. Catch you guys tomorrow.